Hello, my lovely. Welcome back to my kitchen. It is really good to have you here. And if today is your first time visiting, I hope you consider to join us by subscribing. So, my lovely, today I'm sharing with you how I make this super delicious dry meat for light soups. Mpunam made at home. It is so easy and simple to put this together. You would love this. So come on in and let's begin. So I just came back from the market and I bought this beef. You can use lamb or goat meat to make it. You would achieve the same best result. First thing I did was to wash this very well. I first washed it with plain water and then I added a little bit of vinegar. Lime juice is also fine. And then I went ahead and washed it thoroughly. I'm going to continue to wash and rinse until the water runs clear, just like this. And then it is perfect to be used. In my dry grinder, I'm going to go ahead and add about two teaspoons of aniseed with some rosemary. As you may probably already know, rosemary and meat goes well together. So now this is grinded. I'll set aside and start the process by adding some salt. I'll go ahead now to mix everything together. Once it is mixed up, let's go in with some garlic granules. Next, we will add some smoked paprika. The smoked paprika will add a beautiful color to our dry meat as well as the much needed smokiness. Now, let's add our natural spice blend, aniseed and rosemary. We will wrap all the spices in properly until it is really covered well, just like this. At this stage, it's already giving out a nice aroma. Hello, if you are new to the channel, please do not hesitate to subscribe and then turn on your notification bell so every time I upload a video, you would be notified. Thank you very much for doing so. So in a tray, I placed some foil because I wanted cleaning to be easier afterwards. And then you need a rack because we do not want the meat to sit in its juices. We want this dry, just like how the marketplace one looks like. Okay, so everything has been laid. It will go in the oven for about 40 minutes, and after 20 minutes I'll go ahead and turn it. And now look at how this looks like. What I normally do is I leave it in the oven for another day. In this way, it is a sure way to get that Mpunam flavor when you bite into it. Me say when you it goes well with light soup, with palm nut soup, peanut butter soup, which I used mine for. I hope you don't miss that. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch. Thank you for liking this video. Thank you for leaving me a comment. I do really appreciate you so much. I cannot thank you enough. I do hope I see you in my next upload. Until then, take care and stay blessed, my dear. Bye bye.